Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and second trading day of the week. Did quite a bit of day trades. Overall profitable. Had one losing trade and 3 winning trades. Right? Okay. Overall profitable by quite a bit. Right? So let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 day trades, right? Out of the 4 day trades on stocks, 1 loss, the other 3 were profitable. And I also did a S&P Futures trade as well, and also clocked me another profit. So the total all in today, I realized a profit of 253, not bad, right? Okay. Considering that I used about $100 risk, right, for each trade, and like what you see here, this loss was about $105, right? Okay, so thereabout, and overall I have $253 profit, right, which is pretty good. Let's take a look, right? Let's take a look at the selection here, right? So CCJ, wanted to basically all these 4 I wanted to buy it up, right? Okay. CCJ, based on the setup, based on MACD, right, is already set up for it to move up. So all I have to do is focus on the 5 minute. Once it trigger, then I trade, right? So the actual trigger we can see based on my TW strategy, right, is actually here, roughly 11:20, right? Roughly 11:20. Singapore time, right? It triggered. So after that, it went all the way up here, and I took profit, right? So considered quite a good run, right? Lasting maybe just 10 minutes, right? Okay, so I would take that, right? After that, it didn't move much anyway. CRM is one trade that is not moving much as well. That's why I closed it early. But the trigger came here roughly 10:50, right? Should have closed 10 minutes after I traded it. It would have been better profits, but I was thinking maybe it can still go higher. So I waited and waited. It came back down a little bit, then I say, might as well just close it, right? Okay, for a slight profit. CPRT is the same thing. Everything is being set up based on MACD, right? You can see is in the red color zone, right? Okay. So using the 5 minute, the trigger is actually here, right? Trigger is actually roughly at 10:45 p.m. Was a good run, right? Could have hold it longer to take even more profits, but I roughly closed my trade roughly 15 minutes later, right? At around 11 p.m. right? Okay, around 11 p.m. So still quite good profit. You can see just now, CPRT was one of the bigger wins out of the other day trades, right? Followed by CCJ, right? CCJ, which is like $80+ of profit, right? One loss is this one, right? The first 3 are all profitable. This loss was a trade that I wanted to trade up, right? Wanted to trade up. It actually did trigger over here, and I traded it, but after that it went continue to go down. Didn't even after I traded it, right? It didn't even move up a little bit for me to take some small profit or get for me to even get out, right? Okay, so it hit my stop loss. Lost $100 roughly there, right? I traded the MES as well, right? Due to what I see from the markets, even though it was in the red, right, all open in the red, right, after market open, it actually start to bounce back up, right? Okay, and this is what I feel it will happen also. That's why you can see my buy list. I use it to I choose my list to buy based on the index also, because the index is going to move up. I might as well buy some stocks, right? Okay, so you can see over here, initially when market open, it has some knee-jerk effect, whereby it came down a little bit, but after that it shoot back up, came down back, shoot back up, but it's gradually hitting a higher high, right? Higher high as the day go by, right? As time goes by, after market open, it actually hitting more higher high, right? Higher top. So I traded it somewhere here, if I'm not wrong, right? Okay. Sorry. After market open, it's somewhere here. So I traded it roughly 11, right? Roughly 11. Then got out roughly 10 minutes later also. Decent profit, right? Risk to reward easily already more, slightly more than 1R. Risk to reward 1:1.2 or 1.5, right? So I took my profit, right? Okay. So not bad, right? Considering that over here, I have overall profits despite one loss, right? Total 5 trades, 1 loss, 4 wins, $253, right? Okay. These are the things that I'm looking at, right? I'm also testing out some of the penny stocks to see whether it's worthwhile to trade or not, right? So still in testing phase. I will let you guys know much later, right? Normally this type of testing I use months to test it out, right? Okay. But anyway, this is what happened today, and I hope that your trading also pretty good today and for the rest of the week.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.